Let us see about Laplace transform. After completion, the students will be able to do the applications of Laplace transform on Fourier series, and also they can also solve ordinary differential equations using Laplace transform. Laplace transform. First one is the two-sided Laplace transform, otherwise it is said to be bilateral Laplace transform. Let x of t be a continuous time signal defined for all values of t. Let x of s be Laplace transform of x of t. Therefore, the Laplace transform of x of t is given as x of s equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x of t into e power minus st into dt. And one-sided Laplace transform or unilateral Laplace transform, it is given as let x of t be the continuous time signal and defined for t greater than or equal to 0. Here in this case x of t is causal, therefore it is given as Laplace transform of x of t equal to x of s equal to integral 0 to infinity x of t into e power minus st into dt. Next, inverse Laplace transform. The S domain signal x of s can be transformed to in time domain signal x of t by using inverse Laplace transform. The inverse Laplace transform of x of s is defined as in L inverse of x of s equal to x of t, which can be given as 1 by 2 pi j integral of s equal to sigma minus j omega to s equal to sigma plus j omega x of s in the e power s of t into ds, where x of s exists only if integral minus infinity to infinity modulus of x of t e power minus sigma t into dt is less than infinity. And the existence of Laplace transform, the necessary and sufficient condition for the existence of Laplace transform or x of t should be continuous in the given closed interval, and x of t should be absolutely integrable. You can see some of the examples. Let us see. Find unilateral Laplace transform of the following signals. X of t equal to del of t. Here we know that the formula is x of s equal to integral 0 to infinity x of t into e power minus st into dt. Here we are having x of t equal to del of t. Therefore, in the place of x of t, we are substituting del of t. Therefore, integral e power minus s 0 to infinity del of t into e power minus st into dt. We know that the value of del of t equal to 1 for t equal to 0. Therefore, substituting t equal to 0, we are getting the value as 1. Next one is x of t equal to u of t. We know that formula x of s equal to 0 to infinity x of t into e power minus st into dt. Here we are having u of t, therefore we can change this as 0 to infinity u of t into e power minus st into dt. The value of u of t equal to 1, therefore while we are integrating, we are getting the value, and after integrating we are applying the limit, therefore the Laplace transform of u of t equal to 1 Laplace transform of x of t equal to e power at into u of t. Here we know the formula that x of t, that is x of t equal to e power at into u of t. Therefore, integral 0 to infinity x of t into e power minus st into dt. In the place of x of t, we are substituting e power at. Therefore, then we are combining this value of e power at. After combining this and integrating, and after integrating, we are applying the limit. Therefore, we are getting the value as 1 by s minus a. And these are the Laplace. These are the quiz questions in the case of possible quiz questions in the Laplace transform. Thank you.